好，我是 Katrina. My name is Katrina. I'm the founder and the teacher of Smart Mandarin. In this video lesson, I'm going to teach you Mandarin from the very beginning. So if you are a total beginner, I mean like zero level, this video might be suitable for you. So now let's get started. First of all, I would like to give you some sounds of Mandarin. And then you try to pronounce the sound of Mandarin. See if your sound of Mandarin is close to mine. Alright, let's see the first one. How would you pronounce this one? Okay. Mang. Okay. So what you see is M is the M. That's the beginning sound of Mandarin. A and G, ang, is the final sound of a word. So this word consists of beginning sound and the final sound. And then you see the line, okay, goes up. So you go like mang. So what does this mean? It means busy. Mang. Second word. How do you pronounce this? Try. Lay. Okay. Beginning sound L. Final sound A. EI is A. So going down, you see the tone is going down, right? So lay. What is lay? Means tired. Number 3. How do you pronounce this one? This one is Alright, so as you can see that the sound is very simple. There's only one word. Okay, how do you say? One letter. There's only one letter, which is E. And in Mandarin, we sound like I don't know, but you have to give it a 4 tone going down. So your tongue plays relaxed. So means hungry. Next one. Okay. Now you see the beginning sound and the final sound and the tone. And the tone is the bouncing tone, right? How would you say that? When you see the bouncing tone, you don't go really bouncing your tone, alright? So you go to the lowest range of your voice. K is the K sound. K. Okay, means thirsty. K. How would you pronounce this? 那个. Basically, it means that one. 那个. So if you're pointing at something, you would say 那个, that one. I want that one. I want 那个. So that's how you say it. 那个. So you see 个 has nothing above. There's no tone, right? It's called neutral tone. You go really light. 个. I know some people in China, they say 个. But in Taiwan, we use 个. So let's just stick with 那个, the neutral tone. 那个, that one. Next one. How do you pronounce this? You have 个, right? So 这个, this one. So if something is very close to you and you say, I want this one, you would say, I want 这个. Something is far away, 那个. So 吃 zh 吃吃吃 Okay, the e sound is 这个 this one. Okay, so far we have learned 忙 busy, 累 tired, 饿 hungry, 渴 thirsty, 那个 that one, 这个 this one, and I want to put 2 more words. This one. How do you say that? 人 A lot of my students have very difficult time pronouncing this word, okay? So the initial sound is zh, okay? Your tongue curl and your lips like this and your tongue curls like that, okay? Zh, okay. En is n sound like n. I understand. Zh, n, 人 You try. 人 means people or person. Remember to curl your tongue, okay? 人 people or person. The next one I want to teach is 很 the H sound. N 很 Do you see the bouncing tone? Go the lowest range of your voice, okay? So 很 means very. So now we can make some sentence by the vocab I just gave you. But before we make a sentence, I want to give you a conclusion. So what you see here, the words here is the character, the Chinese character. And we have simplified Chinese and traditional Chinese. Simplified Chinese used in China. The traditional Chinese used in Taiwan and Hong Kong. So I'm from Taiwan, I use traditional Chinese. But on my video lesson, I'll also give you the simplified one. And then you see that each character has the sound of a word. A sound is usually consists of initial and final and tone. Okay, so that's why you have all the sound that I just gave you. And now let's make some sentences. 那个人很饿。那个人很饿。Hey, what did I say? Can you recognize what I say? 那个人很饿。那个 that one. 人 person. So 那个人 that person. 很饿 very hungry. So it means that that person is hungry. 那个人很饿 that person is hungry. 很 literally means very hungry. But in the structure, 那个人很饿 it actually means that person is hungry. If you really want to emphasize that person is very, very hungry, we have another word, but we won't discuss it now. Okay, so if you say 那个人很饿 means that person is hungry. Okay? 这个人很忙。这个人很忙。What does that mean? Can you recognize? 这个 this. 人 is people or person. So 这个人很忙。This person is busy. 这个人很忙。So you could also say 这个人很累。这个人很累。This person is tired. Or 那个人很渴。 那个人很渴 That person is thirsty. You see, I spent 10 minutes to teach you a few vocabulary and a little basic idea of pronunciation of Mandarin, and also some sentences. I hope you find this video helpful to you. And if you like this video, please let me know and I'll do some more video like this, starting from the beginning and give you some vocab, guide you how to pronounce the word, and teach you how to make sentences, easy sentences with vocabulary. This video is actually how I teach my student in the very first lesson, my Sky lesson or my face-to-face lesson. I usually have a flashcard and I say, you know what, forget about pinyin, forget about b. When you see this English, how would you like to pronounce? So they use their instinct to pronounce the word, the pinyin that they see. And then usually they're correct or they're right about it. So using your instinct first, and then try to understand the logic of Chinese pronunciation. And then after that, you learn some vocabulary and then the sentences. Yes, this is exactly how I teach my students in the Sky lesson. And now I want to use this method in my video lesson. And I hope you like it. Please let me know what you think of this idea or this method of teaching. And I'll see you next time. 谢谢你们，下次见，拜拜。Hello, thank you for watching this video lesson. If you would like the worksheet of this video lesson, please go to my Patreon page where you can download the worksheet and watch all other video lessons. I'll see you in the next episode. 再见。